Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you DIY ponytails. This is the net I'll be using. There are other different types of net. So the first thing I'm doing is to pin it down to the mannequin head to make it easy to sew in. So I'll pin it down. See, this is what it looks like. And the I'll be using is deep wave. This is 100 grams deep wave, 18 inches. Is a brand new bundles that I just unwrapped. So I'm going to be I'll start the sewing right from the down part, and make sure that anytime you want to do any form of sewing, make sure you secure the first part. Ensure that it is well secured, especially when you are starting it. So ensure you secure it properly. So that is what I'm doing, just trying to secure the edge properly to avoid the thing being removed by itself. So after that, I sew in all the way to the other end. So just keep sewing in until you get to the edges. So when I get to the edge, I want to do a turnover method. So I'll be turning it instead of cutting. And before you turn, make sure you sew in properly at the other end. Sew it up to the level where you want to turn it so that it won't look bulky. If you don't sew in the other part to where you want to turn it, it will look bulky. So that is what I'm doing. Sew it in to where you want to turn, and turning it will be easier for you. And when you turn, you can use the pin to hold it down and secure it at the other end too, while you also secure this end properly. So you sew it in properly and you secure it properly. As you can see, it's not looking bulky, and that is what I'll do till I finish sewing it in. So just enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you later. So thank you for always tuning into this channel. You are well appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, share with family and friends, leave comment below of anything you want, what you don't like, what you like, what you would like to see on this channel. Kindly put it at the comment section. So just keep watching. I'm going to continue the same process, turn it over until I'm done sewing, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye. almost done. So you can see I'm still doing the turning method, and I'm ensuring that each side is not looking bulky. It's not looking bulky. So, and I always secure each side properly to avoid the sewing in pulling out. So I'm just going to continue, and I'll sew till the last part, till I can't see the net again. So when I get to this upper part, I'm not giving spaces. So I sew it closely to each other. As you can see, like the space is super small because I really want it to be very full. So as you are seeing it, I'll turn it to the side, sew it in, and make sure it's well secured before I turn it, so that that side will not be bulky. So I'm doing the last sew in. So I'm doing the last sew in, and I'm also doing the same thing, following the same method. So you can use this method for any kind of ponytails you want to do. I had to remove the other pin so that I can sew the other side in properly. And yeah, so now I'm done sewing in, and yeah, see what it looks like. So I leave the remaining part. I'm not going to cut that part off. That is what I'll use to wrap the ponytail when I'm installing it on my head. And yes, this is what the inside looks like. So the leftover will be used. So if you want to install it in, you have to pull it to the size of your hair packing. So I'm going to sew in my pin to it, and that is what I'll use to pin it down to my hair. Then before I adjust the elastic to fit in into the hair I've already packed. So, and when you are sewing in the pin, make sure you sew it in properly, so that when you install it on your head, the thing does not fall off on the road. So just make sure you do the sewing in properly, and then installing it is very easy and straightforward. So after sewing it in, that will be the end of the video, and in my next video I'll show you how I install it on my hair. I actually wanted to make it like a one video, but it would be too long and I would not like to bore you. So I'm done sewing that in to the net. I'm going to cut off the remaining thread from it, so, and then secure it properly to the net. Secure it properly. As you can see that the two sides are so neat and there is nothing bulky there. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.